Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect fried egg on a pan using an easy method. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want one large egg, a good non-stick pan, and a little butter or oil. Don't forget your spatula for handling the egg, and have your serving plate and favorite seasonings, like salt and pepper, ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove over medium-low heat for about 1 minute. This gentle heat is key to preventing sticking. Next, add about 1/2 teaspoon of butter or a small drizzle of oil to the pan, letting it melt and coat the surface. Then, carefully crack 1 egg directly into the center of the pan. Be gentle to keep the yolk intact. Cooking time depends on how you like your yolk. For a classic runny yolk with firm whites, cook the egg for 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply cover the pan for an additional 1 minute. Keep an eye on the egg whites. They should appear fully set and opaque around the yolk, indicating it's perfectly cooked to your liking. Your delicious fried egg is now ready. Gently slide it from the pan onto your serving plate. A flexible spatula works best for this. Finish it off with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground pepper or any other seasonings you love. Serve your perfectly cooked fried egg immediately and enjoy it as a quick, satisfying part of any meal. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.